what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing My Oh My by James Smith. I really like the structure of the song. It's a little different. It's not your usual pop love song, breakup song. It's actually, they really put a lot of work into the writing. Okay, so we're gonna play this in C with our capo on fret number 1. Starting from the intro, we have A to C. That's the been a little differently. Na, 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 na. Okay, so that's na 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 na. Alright, so that's A minor to C, and then C to F, A minor to C, C to F, okay? And my strumming pattern there is down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, so that's your intro, verse. And then we get into the my, oh my. And for that part, we're playing A minor. Okay. Okay, so we have A minor, C, C again. Alright, so let's play A minor. Alright, so this is A minor, this is G, this is C. But then for G, instead of playing it with the last note on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the last note is going to be on the 1st fret of string number 2, okay, the B string. So we have okay, so A minor, G, C, oh it hurts sometimes, and that's D minor, C, G, okay? If you're not, too flexible to hold this version of G, I don't even know what version it is, because I'm not too good with the theory, you can play E minor, so that would be A minor, E minor, C, and then D minor, C, G. Okay, so now that we have that in check, let's play the whole chorus together. I was trying to cycle to the chorus. Okay, there we go. Let's go. My, oh it hurts sometimes. Okay, so you do this whole the first time, and then that's 1, and then you do it again, and then you get into how did you do this? And the how did you do this part is mine. And how did you do this? If. Okay, so how did you do this? Na 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 na. I'm laying in the dark. I'm laying in the dark. Okay, so that's A minor to G. So we have how could you do if na 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 E minor, and then we have A minor and G. Na 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 if E minor, A minor to G. Okay, so that's your how did you do this? Na 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 na. And then again we do the my oh my. Is it? Oh yeah, we do. And then we're back into the verse. So that my fault. And then we're already back in the verse, and the verse is the same as the first verse. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole song, guys. do check out my chord video. If you're not familiar with the chords that I was using, yeah, it's in my description. It'll teach you how to hold the chords, and then you can move into the progressions from this video. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more content like this, and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.